Good morning, Allendale first graders. It's Mrs. Grasan here with SIPPS lesson number 18. So let's get started. We're going to say a word and drop part of it and see what's left. Ready? Say jumper. Drop What are you left with? Jump. Very good. Say bigger. Drop the What are you left with? Big. Say faster. What do you drop the ER? What are you left with? Very good. Fast. Say better. Drop the What are you left with? Bet. Very good. Say batter. Drop the What are you left with? Bat. Nice. Say catcher. Drop the What are you left with? Nice. Catch. Good job. All right. Today's an exciting day because we have some new sounds that we will be learning. They're a little bit tricky, so let's work on these. Ready? H, her, bird, bird, was, hurt. Her bird was hurt. All right, you may notice that we have ER, we have IR, sound the same. And UR, That was really confusing, right? We just learned 3 sounds and they all sounded the same. These are called R-controlled vowels. They're called R-controlled vowels because this R is controlling this vowel right here. The vowel E, the vowel U, and the vowel, let's find that one, where'd it go? I. So in class, if you're in my class, we call it a bossy R. That bossy R is not letting the I, the E, or the U say its name. It's bossing it around. So it's controlling it. It's an R-controlled vowel. We put our card right up here. Her bird. So we have 3 different sounds making the sound. When we're spelling, I will tell you the first, second, or third sound that is. Let's look and see what other sounds we've been working on. EE says E, and EA says E. Very good. We have these right here with our long vowel E sounds. Remember, not just E, consonant E says E. This says E, and this says E. All right, let's take a look at our mixed list that we're going to be reading. We have B, I, D, bid. P, L, E, S. Please remember that. EA says E. Please. D. Now here comes our controlled sound. D, t, dirt. S, E, t, seat. T, turn. Ch, you have the sound ch. Ear, cheer. G, girl. S, set. We have our short vowel E, our Yes, a short vowel E there. Ready? J, k, jerk. Let's cover that ED. Let's see what we have. Grilled, grilled. Freeze, freeze. Hurt, hurt. Sir. Yes, sir. In, tuning. Herd, herd, the herd of buffalo. Actually, I'm going to cover this S at the end. Planes, planes. There were lots of planes in the sky. Serve. Leash. Fur. Peep. Don't make a peep. And let's cover this ending. Curved. The road curved. And shirts. Nice job. We had some tricky words in there. All right. Now I'm going to ask you to take a peek at these words. And I have this little dot in between them, which I think is going to be really hard to see. Let's see if I can make it a little bit bigger. All right, maybe that helps. Okay. Speaking. How many vowels are in this syllable? Right, 1. Remember, the E and the A makes 1. How many are right here? Okay, 1. How many syllables are in the whole word? Right, 2. 1, 2. Okay, look here, our second word. Feeding. How many vowel sounds are in the first syllable? Very good, 1. Feed. Remember the E is 1 sound. Ing. How many vowel sounds? Good, 1 again. All together. 2. Feeding. Very good. Let's look down here. Zigzag. How many vowel sounds are in the first syllable? 1. Very good. How many are in the second syllable? Very good. 1. How many are all together? 2. Nice. All right. Let's look down here. This one gets a little trickier. Unlocking. I am unlocking the door. The first syllable, how many vowel sounds do you hear? Very good, 1. How many do you hear in the second? 1 again, the O. And in the last one, 1. So all together we hear 3. Nice. Okay, our very last one, camping. How many syllables, how many vowel sounds do you hear in the first syllable? 1. Very good. And in the second syllable, how many vowel sounds do you hear? Altogether, 2. Nice. All right, we'll be doing a little bit more of that later. Let's take a peek now at our new sight words. Let's see, where did my new sight words go? Ah, here they are. Who can answer the question? Question mark. Who can answer the question? Our first word is answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Let's spell again. Ready? A-N-S-W-E-R. Read. Answer. Spell. Read. Very good. Answer. All right. Our next word. Nothing was in the basket. Our word is nothing. Nothing was in the basket. Ready? Spell. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Read. And spell. Read. And spell. Read. Nothing. And our last sight word. I'll let you do it once. Our word is once. I'll let you do it once. Ready? Read. Spell. O-N-C-E. Read. Spell. Read. Spell. Read. Very good. All right. 3 new words. Let's go through all the words that we've learned so far. Okay. We have word. Spell. Read. Ooh. Read. Spell. Read. Because. Read. Spell. Read. Love. Read. Spell. Read. Gone. Read. Spell. Read. Few. Read. Spell. Read. Sure. Read. Spell. Read. Done. I am done. Read. Spell. Read. Who? Who are you? Read. Spell. Read. Push. Please push me on the swing. Read. Spell. Read. Today. Today is not sunny. Read. Spell. Read. Work. I have much work to do. Read. Spell. Read. Great. That book was so great. Read. Spell. Once. Read. Spell. Answer. Do you know the answer? And read. Spell. Read. Nothing. No thing. Nothing. All right, it is now time for us to do our dictation. So make sure you have some paper and a pencil. You can pause me while you go get that if you need to. Oops, you'll see your sounds. All right, our first word. Are you guys ready for your first word? Say herd. Not this kind of herd, but the herd of buffalo ran by. Herd. So we hear that H sound, huh? Now, Those are those three sounds that sound the same. This one's going to be the first one. The first sound. So that's E-R. Herd. Hear that D at the end. Herd. Make sure your D goes the right way. Herd. The herd of buffalo ran by. Herd. Number 2. Say purr. Purr. The kitten can purr. So p, p. You hear that P? This is going to be the third sound. Right here. U, R. And that sound has 2 R's. So we have p, and then we add one more R. P, Okay. Number 3, say stir. Now we know that first sound, st, st. That's my consonant blend, S-T, st. And then that's going to be the second sound, I-R, st, Stir. I had to stir the batter, stir. All right, number 4. Feed. Say feed. I had to feed the dog. Now we hear that so everyone write that. Then we hear E. E. Let's look over here. It's going to be the second E sound, the E. So write your E, feed. I hear a D at the end. Let's write that down. Feed. So we have our double E, making the E sound, feed. And make sure that D goes the right way. We don't want a B there. We want a D. Number 5. Look. I hear an L. Let's write that. And then that sound is going to be 2 O's. Look. It's going to be a K. Look. And that would have been a sight word on our word wall. So if we were in our classroom, that would have been easier for us to spell because we would have been able to look at our word wall. Look. Number 6 is large. L. Go ahead and write that L. We hear a L. And then R is going to be A-R. R. G. With an E at the end. That was a tricky word. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Okay, our sentence. She is first. So, she. Let's start with that word. We know that's an S. H. Sh. E. With an E. S-H-E. She. Remember that capital because we're starting a sentence. Very good. She. I. Make sure you put your space. I. You know that's the sound. I. Z. Is. That S is making a Z sound. So don't write a Z. Make sure you write your S. She is. Another space. First. Let's write that F. Look up here. This is the second spelling. The second one. I-R. And st. I know that consonant blend sound, ST, the same ST that was up here for stir, first. That consonant blend can be at the beginning or the end. Am I done? She is first. What am I missing? Right, my end punctuation, and in this case it's going to be a period. This is just a telling sentence. She is first. All right. So boys and girls, while I'm erasing this, I'm going to tell you at the bottom of this video is a link that I will be adding. I want you to go click on that link and it's going to give you the story for the day. The story is going to be chapter 5, the story of Cat. I want you to go ahead and read that through 3 times. Hopefully, by the 3rd time, we'll be able to get through it with no mistakes. Remember, you're looking for words. We'll be looking for words. So don't let those try and trick you. I know that you can do that. Remember, we're going to stop when there's a problem and slow down and read through it. All right, good job. I know you've got this. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.